I love it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Mufida and I'd like it if you click down below to subscribe to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing a Unice from Unice Hair. So if you want to see how this video goes down, carry on watching and let's get right into it. Thank you so much to Unice Hair for sponsoring this video. Getting straight into it, the unit came with some goodies. Came with a silk bag so you can keep the unit in it and travel with it easily. 2 pairs of HD wig caps, a melting band, an edge brush, and of course the unit. We're gonna get straight into it. This is a 24-inch pre-everything unit from Unice Hair. Straight out of the package, it came pre-curled. This is such a gorgeous unit and it is a curtain bang unit. As you can see, it came with a roller at the front to obviously keep the curl intact. This is pre-curled from package and it is a 7x5. As you can see, this is pre-bleached as well. It is HD lace, so putting it straight on my hand like this, you can see this is pre-bleached. The knots are almost invisible. It looks really good straight out of the package. Of course, this unit came with the ear feature where it doesn't press on your ear, it's cut out, so you're gonna have your cap sitting comfortably on your head. It also has this feature that would help grip the wig onto your head. Of course, this is a glueless unit. It has an adjustable band where you can adjust this to your head size, and of course it is a breathable cap. It looks very good. Such shiny curls, and this is quite full. This is a fluffy loose wave curtain bang unit. It is 180% density and it is a 7x5 bye-bye knot. I'm gonna go in with some lace tints and we're gonna spray this on the lace. So I have literally used a little bit of lace spray, so I'm going to go ahead and put this on my head. So cute. So as you can see, this is pre-cut and it's a 7x5 bye-bye knot. I'm going to use a little bit of the lace tints and I'm going to put that on the lace so I can blend it into my skin. This is so cute. I'm gonna go ahead and use a wax stick just to flatten the top. Also gonna use a little bit of melting spray. This is so cute. I'm gonna go ahead and comb this out. It's given bombshell curls and I am here for it. You can literally wear this unit like this and I love it. It's so fire. Straight out of the package, not a lot of work. This is so fire. This is so nice. Oh my god, I absolutely love it. It's layered, curly and natural looking fullness. Glueless. Love it. It looks good this way or comb it this way. This is so cute. Oh my god. I love that the curls are still bouncy even after combing it so many times. This is so nice. For my 9 to 5 girlies, this is so cute. So I just put a claw clip at the back and I just left a few pieces at the front. I am in love with this unit. So you can wear it like this as well. Ah, oh, this is so cute. I'm obviously really in love with this unit. I think I have a thing for curtain bangs because it frames my face so well. And this is straight out of the package. So I'm gonna do bangs. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pull this out. I'm gonna go ahead and just trim a little bit of it. So this is it with the bangs. I just cut a few inches off the front. You definitely have to be careful when you're doing this so you don't ruin the hair. So far, I really like this unit. I love how versatile it is. This is it with the bangs at the front covering my forehead. So definitely check out Unice hair. This is a 7x5 pre-bleached, pre-cut and pre-plucked unit, and it is layered. This is a curtain bang unit, so you can wear it either of the 3 ways that I showed you guys. So you can definitely cut some bangs in it or decide to keep it the way it came. But these are the curls from when it came from the box, and I haven't added any curls to it and it's still sitting. This unit is 180% density and it is 24 inches long. Again, this is from Unice hair. Amazing. The fallout is very minimal and it's definitely beginner friendly. So I'll put all the details to this unit down below. Definitely check it out. Thank you to Unice hair again for sponsoring this video. Like this video if you did enjoy it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.